Hello. So I've done a little bit more work on brep.io, and I added a new feature. The new feature is an update to the expressions area. Right here, we allow you to set up different variables to have UI elements, and you can access them in your features pretty easily. Uh, Down here, you can still do your regular expressions. You can just type in math formulas, and they get evaluated. But if you want to make a fancy little UI like this, it's pretty easy to do now. To get into the configurator editor, you can go over here and hit that, and then it's going to show you a list of your widgets. You can add widgets by hitting this button, and your widgets could be of different types. So, for example, we have a select type widget, which gives you a series of options that you could pick, or a slider widget. You could also do a number entry or a string entry. We might add some other configurator type controls later on, but this is what we got for now. If I save that configuration, it'll allow me to go and edit the configuration of the model just by adjusting these values. So, for example, right here, I added a resolution option here. So, this is going to control how many facets get made. Um, So yeah, you can see how it's smoothed out there as I adjusted that. I also added this hole diameter one, which I can adjust the slider and it'll update the size of the holes here. Now, the way that you reference these configurator controlled variables is by using configurator dot and then the name of the field. So if I go back in here to the edit configurator, you name your field and you can access them just by using this syntax wherever you're going to do that. So even inside my sketch, for example, I have this right here. So this is the variable which I'm using in the sketch for that dimension, and it makes it so that it's really easy for me to go and reconfigure a part pretty quickly. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go back to coding. Thanks for watching.